Making everyone happy is our #1 priority, so when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.